The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, by Stephen R. Covey, is a popular self-help book that provides practical advice on personal and professional development. Here are some key lessons from the book. Be proactive. Take responsibility for your own life and actions. Instead of reacting to circumstances, choose to be proactive and make conscious choices based on your values and principles. Begin with the end in mind. Clarify your long-term goals and envision what you want to achieve. By keeping your end goals in mind, you can align your actions and decisions with your desired outcomes. Put first things first. Prioritize your tasks and activities based on their importance and urgency. Focus on the activities that align with your goals and values and have the most significant impact on your life. Think win-win. Seek mutually beneficial solutions in your interactions and relationships. Instead of adopting a competitive mindset, aim for collaborative and cooperative approaches that benefit everyone involved. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Develop empathic listening skills and genuinely try to understand others' perspectives before expressing your own. Effective communication requires active listening and empathy. Synergize. Embrace teamwork, cooperation, and collaboration. By valuing the strengths and differences of others, you can create innovative solutions and achieve greater results than you would individually. Sharpen the saw. Invest in continuous personal and professional growth. Take care of your physical, mental, social, and emotional well-being to ensure you have the capacity to perform at your best. By practicing these habits, you can enhance